Ever wish you could reduce that dead pedal feeling in your vehicle? The pedal position sensors found in late model vehicles can leave you feeling, well, less than thrilled when it comes time to put the pedal to the metal. The AMP 2.0 throttle booster can fix that. It takes the factory accelerator signal and remaps the sensitivity, reducing the delay for better throttle response and more on-demand power. The AMP 2.0 throttle booster works as a standalone unit, but you can up your game and pair it with one of our other performance products from Edge, Diablo Sport, or Superchips. With the AMP 2.0, throttle sensitivity adjustments are now wireless. Our wireless Bluetooth switch is an industry exclusive and gives you total control over your throttle response experience. Our wireless switch comes preloaded with 5 different throttle control levels and the ability to control 3 more custom curves that you build using the AMP 2.0 app right on your smartphone. You can mount the switch wherever you want. With our compact wireless design and the included adhesive mount, your options are limitless and the control is seamless. If you'd rather keep your dash clean, you can. Just use your smartphone. The AMP 2.0 Throttle Booster app puts you in full control. With the app, you can select from 5 preset throttle curves or create your own custom curve and save it using your smartphone. You can alternate between preset and custom curves in just seconds, compensating for your driving conditions. Equip your ride with the most advanced throttle control device on the market. Take control with an AMP 2.0 Throttle Booster. To see our complete line of tuning devices for your vehicle, visit us at Holley.com.